What kind of support can I expect when I join this digital business community? Basically, there are two forms of support. The first is in-person support. This role is performed by your mentor. This is where your mentor guides you step by step from the onset of your business all the way through growing and managing your business continuously. The second kind of support you get is digital. This is where you have access to our training site, access to our masterminds, access to the webinars, as well as other digital materials from books to projects and more that will help you develop the skills you need to better run your business successfully. So on our platform, irrespective of your need, there is always a form of support to suit that need. Just reach out and you'll get the support you need.